Like, everyone I've faced for the last 12 years. For the last 12 years. I've done it all. I've beat all there is to beat in this company. But there's one more challenge left. And that's you. So what's it going to be, Christian? Are you going to accept my challenge for August 1st? Or are you going to go down the coward like you are? So let me tell you something, boy. I'm giving you the opportunity of a lifetime. Of a lifetime. So don't you pass it up. Christian, August 1st, 2012, what do you say? You, me, for this, in a hardcore battle. No disqualifications. No countouts. No holds barred. And now with that being said, Christian, still